Hi, today I'm going to show you a cheat on Astral Barrier for Penguin. You don't need a cheat engine, and it's easy. I don't have any more pages up. Okay, so I'm on Astral Barrier homepage, then you press number 1. You're on level 10.
Before she was happy.
Okay. Okay. Then you go on Astral Barrier again. You don't need to keep doing this. Then you go on number 2. Level 20.
Donna, great news. I'm Mad Gel for the net. I thought I was.
Then you go on Astral Barrier. This is the last trick.
But that's Miller.
Go on the home page. And you press number 3. Go to level 30. Alright, that's it.
Yeah, me too. Well, whatever it was very thoughtful.